Hello, I'm Kendal Stephens, and I am a maternal fetal medicine attending physician, and I take care of high-risk pregnancies. The reason that I'm a physician taking care of women is because I was always curious about science and the body, and I love to show my service and compassion for patients. Maternal fetal medicine is the division of high-risk obstetrics that deals with mothers and babies who have complications in pregnancy. Patients that we may be referred would be women who have complex medical conditions, multiple gestations, or even fetuses who may have some abnormalities on ultrasound. And we both do consultation as well as deliveries, and we partner with both the patient and their family and their healthcare team to ensure the best outcome for the pregnancy for both mom and baby. So when a patient is referred to our office for a high-risk pregnancy concern, she undergoes a comprehensive history and physical exam where we interview the patient, make sure that we understand her individual needs, as well as educate her on the findings that are concerning for the pregnancy, and then set forth a plan for the management of the pregnancy. I'm originally from Owensboro, Kentucky, but I did undergrad and medical school and residency in obstetrics and gynecology at the University of Louisville. And then I practiced general OB/GYN in Southern Indiana for 8 years. And because I really loved obstetrics, I then went on to complete a maternal fetal medicine fellowship at the University of Cincinnati. I enjoy spending time with my husband and friends and nature walks and doing yoga, certainly reading and just relaxing in general.